Craig's going to explain to us how he did the bell ringer. Let's pay close attention so that way we know if we did it correctly. Craig, go ahead.
Alright, so this angle is reverse angle to this one, that's 35 degrees. Then you combine 100 plus 35, and you get 135. Subtract that from 180, get 45. 80 minus 45 equals 135.
Thank you. Nick, tell us, do you agree or disagree?
I guess I disagree, but I did it wrong. Well, I didn't even, like, I went 35, for some reason I added, like, the 35 to the 100, and then I took that from 180, and I got that, or whatever the number was. I already erased it, though.
So you probably got 45, so you took 45 to be the answer?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so you were on the right track, but that 45 that you got gave you this answer here, gave you this angle. And they're wanting this bigger angle that's beside the 45. And since they make a linear pair, you would just do 180 minus 45 to get that one. But you were on the right track. Okay. All right. Yeah, so that's correct. So the answer is 135 degrees. Did anyone go about solving it a different way? Abby?
I did the exterior angles theorem, where you just added the two interior non-adjacent angles, and then you instantly get the exterior angle.
Yeah, this right here, this angle here is an exterior angle. That one there. So it's going to be the sum of these two here added up. So you just had to figure out what this angle was, which we use vertical angles, and it's 35. And 100 plus 35 is 135. So either way would work. What questions do you have on the bell ringer? Okay. All right, you can go ahead and put your bell ringer away. Today you have a worksheet.
Your note paper.
Not really, no. On your worksheet, it says, what did the grouchy baker make? Write the letter of each answer in the box containing the exercise number, okay? The first two problems are vocab or theorems, so you're either going to find the answer in your vocabulary or you're going to find it in your notes and your theorems to fill in the blank. You need to write your answer either in the blank or right up underneath it. Make sure you write your answer on this paper here. And then let's say for number one, you get the answer to be congruent, okay, which is O. So down here in number one, you would put an O to get the answer to the riddle. Now this down here is for you. I'm grading this part. So if you do not have anything written here, it's going to be counted wrong. And if you get an answer that's not over here, then you know you've done something wrong, okay? And those exclamation marks should be triangles. Oh, 6, 7, 8, and 9, they want you to use these two figures up here to figure out the answers to 6, 7, 8, and 9. My best thing to tell you, like it says, the measure of angle R is 19, so I would put a 19 on R, and B is 56, so I would put 56 on B, and then figure out your answer. And then number 7 is and then you do number 7, 8, and 9. Okay. When you're finished, turn it in. It's individual, so it means on your own. You can use your notes. You can use your vocab, chapter 6 vocab. he's sick, so either I have to pick him up or my sister. I just messaged my sister to see, so I may, cause Elena and, or should I message Elena or, Allison?
Just Allison, just let us know, and if you need to go, I can come cover until something gets here.
Okay, yeah, and right after this class, I have a friend hour.
Yeah, so I can cover the rest of her hour if I need to. So, do you need to call your sister?
I just messaged, I messaged her to see if she's gonna be in Dexter today, and she said no, but I just told her that I needed someone to pick up Brody.
I hope this doesn't go through all of you.
Well, he kind of stood up a little bit this morning on the way to daycare. And so, whenever I was taking him in, Cameron's like, he fell over his shirt, and I was thinking it was just like spit up. Apparently not, because now he's pinky it.
Oh, bless his heart. One of my friends has 3 kids, and her husband and 3 kids all had STDs. But at least she got it over with, and it wasn't spread out over a week or whatever.
I can only imagine it happened all of them, it went to all of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll message Allison.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, and then I'll just come back down.
Okay, thank you.
Is Sonic-Bug going around with Goodman?
I think so.
Are we allowed to use the big ideas thing for this? The glossary on the big ideas?
Yeah, what is your, rigid motion?
Yeah, it doesn't.
Okay, what does your rigid motion say on your vocab? Yeah, the next one over. Okay, so rigid motion. A transformation that preserves length and angle measure. So what that means is, it makes sure that every, like,
Congruent with it.
it says a rigid motion maps each part of a figure to a blank part of its image. Either of those actually would make sense. I would go with corresponding. Because the corresponding part would still be congruent. So like A goes to A prime, B goes to B prime, C goes to C prime, so that means it's corresponding part.
print off or
Um,
anything like that, then
well, no, geometry's worksheets already got print off. Pre-algebra was supposed to have a quiz and I hadn't made it yet, but I think I'm just gonna make them an assignment on Big Ideas Math to do.
Okay.
And then Algebra 1, their assignment is on Big Ideas Math already. Okay. And then let me stop the recording.